So we've just finished cooking the lemongrass chicken bun bowl. It's a recipe that's been on my list for probably 3 or 4 years. I'm super excited to eat it. I'm gonna try making a nok cham, which is like a traditional Vietnamese sauce you get with like salad bowls and stuff like that. We'll see how it goes. Chuck that in. I'm de-seeding the chili so it's not too hot. See, but I got that perfect. Why does the camera always miss things like that? That was so good. I was like, yeah. 20 grams. I'm allowed to break the fourth wall, yeah? Tiny bit of soy sauce. Okay, now that's the sauce done. That looks really good. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to pour this out and set it aside in the fridge while the chicken marinates, because it will allow the sauce to develop as opposed to making it fresh. But you want to try and get all the goodness out of the bowl too. All right, lovely. So that's going to go in the fridge now. And now we're on to the marinade, without washing the bowl, of course, because that flavour in there is perfectly delicious. And I've got some lemongrass. Now with lemongrass, you want to make sure that you just use the white part of the lemongrass stalk if you get it from the Asian grocer and it's the full size thing. So I want 3 cloves. So these are shallots or echallots, not to be confused with spring onions. Been very generous with the sauce amounts today. Hi Stacey. Doesn't look great, but I promise it's delicious. And now I have to get my chicken ready. And with the chicken, all I want to do is like essentially flatten it out so that it cooks evenly and quickly. So if you don't have one of these julienne peelers or the Thermix like cutter, these are worth their weight in gold. Just makes making like perfectly uniform, thinly julienned vegetables for Asian dishes so easy. The chicken has been marinating for about an hour, and I'm just going to quickly chuck it in a pretty hot pan just to cook it through, and then let it rest, cut it up, and lunch will be served.